Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad ki Sangma ubalai Ïalap Ilekshon nak bentau Kyrtong ke NPP uba adresar marngar Nongstoin constituency ulaken tu ye ki nong tap vote ban ai jing kershan ye ke seng dak ba banjur halo ke jing kular jong ke NPP nak Bynta ke roi ke par bat ke bah kemian ulaken taj war ya ke jingkam ke liang persha ha ke ba ula pelet jingmut halo ke jingla jong ke seng ban wanra ya ke jing kiu khamtam ha ke liang ke puli puthi ki kam elekai sports bat kiwei Conrad ula penkesan ru ya ke Bynta jong ke sokar ha ke ban yakun persha ya ke jing khang ti doyong bat ban wat la ru ban yo ya ke jing menjur na ke Bynta ban ti ya doyong kat kum ke juk start menta bat ban pentikna ya ke nong ti doyong bakin light na ke kendon ki perking ula pensyai ru halo ke projek badang pentrei menta kum ke jing snai ke madan football bat kiwei ki jai stadium Nongstoin.
There will be different members from different families, different villages, different polling stations, who will support different candidates of different political parties. And different political parties will come and try to brainwash all of us with different issues. Try to bring up different agenda. We'll try to give all kind of lecture against different political parties. And there'll be a lot of heat in the election. But when election is over and all the dust settles down, people will again talk about development.
Ha ke jing Ïalap election